Okay, we're at our assembly plant, our finest finishing plant. Now, as I've said in earlier videos, a lot of the final finishing is done here, multiple reasons to make sure you get the most highest quality product when it arrives in Australia. The minimal movement in between coming from our plant in Zone B across to you, the better off you are. So obviously it's got to come from our other factories and be assembled and put in a container. Now, interestingly enough, one of the most common fears of people, how do I know everything will get in my container, right? How do I know what your order is? You've got so many customers, things are going on. How do I know it's all going to be right? Let me show you. See up on the wall here, we've got the white lines, and then I've also got a white line down here on the floor. Basically, with your order, as it comes in from our actual factories where it's been manufactured and it's finished, it gets all packed and it sits here. Once we reach the white line, that is the equivalent of filling a 40-foot high cube container, which is also one of the advantages of having either hollow terrazzo or the GRC. So really important to understand that your order is always in good hands. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, well, what if I've got a little bit of space left over in my 40-foot container? No problems. What we do is we actually have filler stock. So we have smaller items. I don't really have too many here, they're down the other end, but smaller items that we can pick in. You can see the box up the top here. This one here, there's a couple of smaller elephants in there. We put those in filler items, know that they're good sellers, and then they actually go inside the container, so you're getting maximum bang for your buck. The last thing you want to be doing is actually shipping air around. So hope that alleviates your concerns. Once again, if you're interested, go ahead and get some register for wholesale pricing, and we can talk a little bit more.